In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to Apple account with a debit card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To add money to your Apple account using a debit card as the payment method, you either need to go over to your Apple ID settings or open the Apple Wallet and then choose the specific account here that you would like to add money to. You can add money to Apple Cash or to your Apple account. And like I said before, you can also find the same option if you open the settings and you tap on your Apple ID instead. When you tap on your Apple ID or you go over to your Apple account page, you will see how much you have on your balance and then consequently the option to add money. All that you have to do to add money and have balance is to tap this button here under your Apple account. Now you can specify the amount. They are going to give you some presets, for example, $25, $50, $100, but of course you can type out the exact amount that you would like to add using a numpad. So specify how much you would like to add to your Apple account balance, and once you are satisfied, tap the Add button at the top right corner of the screen. This will give you a prompt to finish making this purchase. So all that you have to do now is choose your debit card as the payment method. So you can tap on the option here to swap the payment method that is being used. If you don't have a debit card added onto your account or your wallet, you will also see the prompt to do so. So choose the plus sign or the option to register a new payment method and then input the details about your debit card. You can also do this by opening up the wallet and then registering the debit card from here. After you have the debit card listed as a payment method on your Apple Wallet or your Apple account, then it is going to be available and you can finish making this purchase using that specific payment method. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.